Every night, we close our eyes and enter a state that appears to be complete rest. But inside your body, an incredible process begins. While you sleep, your brain remains active, your cells continue maintenance, and your body performs essential tasks that help you recover and prepare for the next day. Sleep is not simply a time when the body stops working. It is a period of intense biological activity happening quietly inside you. For many years, people imagined sleep as a simple shutdown of the brain. But modern science shows something very different. During sleep, the brain changes its activity pattern. It continues communicating, organizing information, and maintaining the complex connections that allow us to think, learn, and remember. Sleep is not one single state that remains the same throughout the night. Instead, we move through repeating cycles of different sleep stages. Some stages are important for physical restoration, while others support brain activity, emotions, and memory processing. Every day, your brain receives an enormous amount of information: conversations, experiences, emotions, and new knowledge. While you sleep, the brain begins organizing these experiences. Important memories are strengthened, helping you learn and adapt. Sleep also gives the brain time for maintenance. During this period, natural processes help support the brain's internal environment and keep its complex systems functioning properly. In many ways, sleep is like a nightly maintenance program for the brain. But the work of sleep does not happen only in the brain. While you rest, the entire body enters a period of maintenance. Different systems work together to restore balance, repair daily wear and tear, and prepare the body for the challenges of the next day. Inside your body, millions of cells are constantly working to maintain life. During sleep, cells have valuable time to perform repair and maintenance processes. These small changes happening at the cellular level help support healthy tissues throughout the body. This is why sleep is especially important after physical activity. During sleep, the body supports muscle recovery and helps tissues adapt to the stress of daily movement and exercise. Recovery is not only about what happens during activity, it is also about what happens afterward, while you sleep. While you sleep, another important system continues working: your immune system. Immune cells constantly monitor the body and communicate with each other to maintain a balanced defense system. Sleep does not make you invincible, but it provides an important environment for your immune system to function properly. Research has shown that insufficient sleep can influence immune function. When sleep is consistently disrupted, the body's normal balance can be affected. A good night's sleep is one of the many factors that help support a healthy immune response. The connection between sleep and immunity shows something important. Every system in the body is connected. Sleep also plays a major role in regulating hormones, the chemical messengers that help coordinate many functions inside the body. During the night, these signals help control processes related to sleep, stress, growth, recovery, and energy balance. Our bodies follow a natural 24-hour rhythm known as the circadian rhythm. Light and darkness help set this internal clock, telling the body when it is time to sleep, recover, and become active again. When this rhythm is disrupted, many processes inside the body can also become affected. During sleep, the body increases certain repair and maintenance signals that support recovery. These signals help coordinate activity between different tissues and cells, allowing the body to maintain itself after a full day of work. Sleep also influences the signals that control hunger and fullness. When we do not get enough sleep, these signals may become disrupted, which can increase cravings and affect our food choices. This is one reason sleep is connected with eating habits and weight management. Sleep is closely linked with metabolism, the way our body manages energy. A healthy sleep pattern helps maintain balance in the systems that control how we use and store energy. But what happens when we regularly do not get enough sleep? The effects go beyond feeling tired. Sleep loss can influence many systems inside the body that normally work together to maintain balance. The body is designed to recover during sleep, and when that recovery time is reduced, the consequences can begin to appear. One of the first systems affected by poor sleep is the body's stress response. When sleep is disrupted, the signals that help control stress may become less balanced. making it harder for the body to respond effectively to daily challenges. This can leave us feeling more tired, less focused, and more easily overwhelmed. Sleep also plays an important role in how the body manages energy. Research suggests that repeated sleep loss can affect how the body responds to changes in blood sugar and how efficiently it uses energy. This shows that sleep is not separate from metabolism. It is closely connected to it. The brain is one of the first places where poor sleep becomes noticeable. After insufficient sleep, concentration, memory, reaction time, and decision-making can all be affected. Even a single poor night can change how we feel and perform the next day. Over time, consistently poor sleep can influence many areas of health, including immune balance, recovery, metabolism, and mental performance. This does not mean one bad night will harm your health. The human body is adaptable, but regular quality sleep is one of the most important foundations for keeping the body balanced. The most fascinating part of sleep is that no single system works alone. Every night, the brain, immune system, hormones, and cells communicate with each other as one connected network. Sleep is a time when the body quietly coordinates thousands of processes that help maintain balance. After hours of hidden work, the body prepares us for another day. When we wake up feeling refreshed, it is not simply because we rested. It is because our body has spent the night repairing, organizing, and restoring itself. Sleep is not a period when your body stops working. It is one of the most active and important biological processes that happens every day. The human body is full of hidden systems working constantly, even when we are unaware of them. This is Health Decoded, bringing the science behind your body closer to everyday life. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.